Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your language into ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your language, you cannot get any option to change it from your application. So if you want to change your language for comfort, you just simply have to open your browser and search for ShopPay at very first, and then open this first link from the shop.app, and after opening the application you will get to see this page right here. First of all, you can log in if you would like to, otherwise you will directly get this option of English at very bottom. As you can see here, you will get a little drop down menu besides English. Now in order to change the language, just simply tap to that option and then you can select many language options among this. Just simply select the suitable language for yourself, and after selecting the suitable language, your language will successfully be changed for your ShopPay. I hope you understand the whole process, and this way you can easily change your ShopPay language. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.